In this video, we bring to you the Loft Container Home built with shipping containers and recycled bricks from a demolished site located in the Americana, Sao Paulo, Brazil. After cleaning the land and executing the foundation, the metallic structure of steel beams and pillars was installed to receive the shipping containers and other building materials. The two 40-foot containers were modified off-site, trucked to site, and hoisted into the steel skeleton structure. The steel skeleton structure was painted with non-corrosive paint to prevent rusting and corrosion of the steel members. The infill walling was built using recycled brick collected from past demolitions, which is a good environmental and sustainable approach to the project. The final walling exposes all the brickwork in its raw form without plaster to create low maintenance finishes. Upon entering the house, there is an integration of spaces from the lobby with the kitchen, access to the bedrooms, and the living room. The common theme inside the entire house is the rustic industrial finishes on almost every space in the house. The kitchen space has predominantly industrial finishes. The kitchen space has a large island that can be used as a working table or a dining space that can comfortably sit four. There are 4 chrome pendants above the kitchen island for task lighting with an imposing industrial style. There is a spectacular living area that is nicely furnished with a large couch and a variety of throw pillows plus a custom coffee table. The full-height sliding glass door from the living room opens onto a large deck which extends the living to the outdoors, creating a good indoor-outdoor living experience. To access the upper story of the house, there is a floating steel staircase lined with pine wood treads, and the guardrail is in metal profile and finished in matte black. The exposed metallic facade inside the house is painted in a green tone similar to the outside color. The two 40-foot shipping containers on the second floor consists of 2 large suites with a corridor and a wardrobe. In the midst of the green, the loft container blends into the landscape and becomes unified with the space as a whole. There is a large carport opening which highlights the metallic structure of the building throughout the project. Just like the inside, the rustic industrial finishes dominate the exterior of the building. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are left exposed and painted in a shade of green. The steel frame structure is also visible on the outside and is painted matte black. Just like on the inside, the brick walls are left exposed on the outside without any plaster to celebrate the industrial theme of the building. Under the suspended shipping container on the first floor level is a sun-soaked terrace, a perfect spot from which to fully appreciate the stunning vistas and enjoy the warm evenings. The house is covered with an additional roof above the shipping containers to shield it from the harsh weather condition. Which part of this amazing container project appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more weekly videos on shipping container projects featured from all over the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.